Today's comment of the year award goes to Ronnie Gilderhus. Gilderhus? Ronnie says, I live 1 minute from Washougal MX track. My friend lives 3 minutes. And you met him before. Thank you very much, Ronnie, for the awesome comment. We are on our way up to a different track today. We're going up to Grays Harbor. We haven't been there since last year. Last time we went there was for the Ryanville Poto training camp. This year we're going there for the Ryanville Poto training camp. So, should be a good video. You get to watch the kids train and work and try to get better. Honestly, people comment when the kids are training, they comment they're not going very fast. The reason for that is because the trainers are working with them on technique. They're working with them on trying to be in the right position, and that's the focus, like doing things right first before you try to do it fast. So just to give you a quick warning, my goal, when you sign up, they ask what you want to work on. This is what I put down for the kids. For Lillian, I put down jumping. For Luke, I put down corner speed. And for Mason, I put down shifting and clutch work. So that's what I hope the kids improve upon. This video, I'm going to get the trailer right now, but I also have to tell you about today's sponsor, which is right there, which you guys have no idea what it is because it just showed you a clip, but I will tell you right now. The thing about a day at the track is that it starts early. You get up at like 6 in the morning, you gotta get the gear, you gotta get the bikes ready, you gotta get your food ready, you get the cooler, you throw ice in the cooler at like 7 in the morning, but then when you get to the track and it's hot and it's 11 or 12 o'clock and you go to eat lunch, you find out that the ice melted and your sandwiches are all soggy.
I think I'll pass.
But that is a thing of the past. Thanks to the people at New Air for sponsoring this video and sending us this electric cooler. It's like a portable refrigerator slash freezer that you could take with you anywhere. It plugs into a wall, it'll plug into your car charger, or it could run off of solar. And you don't have to worry about the ice melting, you don't have to worry about Mason coming and eating the ice or throwing it at people. You don't have to worry about the temperature changing because whatever you set it at, you know it's going to be. It's going to be set and it's going to stay that way throughout the day. And what's cool about this is that there's two compartments. There's a big one and there's a little one, and you can customize them to be any temperature that you want. So you can make the big one a refrigerator or the little one a refrigerator, whatever you want to do. You could put like ice cream and ice cream sandwiches and drumsticks, pretty much anything frozen peas. If you like frozen peas, you can put them in the freezer side, and then the drinks or sandwiches you can put in the cooler side. And if that's not customized enough for you, you could even customize the doors. You just take this, pop it off. So really, like, New Air has thought of everything. This thing is great. I strongly recommend it. We've been using it for a few weeks. It's been great. It's made a day at the track a lot more convenient, and we haven't wasted any food. Usually at the end of the day at the track, whatever food is left over in the cooler, you just got to throw it away, right? Well, with this thing, basically we get home and it's like it's been in the refrigerator all day long. So you take it out, put it in the fridge, it's ready for the next day. So thank you very much to New Air. We appreciate you sponsoring this video. If you guys want to grab yourself a portable cooler to bring with you anywhere, there's a link below. Thank you very much, New Air. On with the video.
the feet right on the pegs. We got to squeeze from the foot peg up and hips back, chest down.
Day number 1 of the Rhinesville Proto training camp. Mason says his bike isn't running good. He says there's no power, so I think his power valve is stuck. A lot of money we're paying for him to be here training, but I guess I gotta go pull his bike apart. Alright guys, so I'm working on Mason's bike. It's almost pulled apart. We're trying to figure out if the power valve is the issue, if we can get it unstuck. The other 2 kids are out doing a session. They're training right now. So unfortunately, you guys wouldn't be able to see that except for Shore is here. So Shore's gonna go film and get some clips of Luke and Lillian riding. Can you get some like shots of them? Mason, can you get some shots of them riding? Maybe like a few shots of like coaches, instruction, maybe like a few shots of like the track and the ruts and the braking bumps and stuff like that.
Okay.
If you want, you could do like time lapses. Don't worry about time lapses. That's fine.
I'll do it.
Yeah, I trust you. Do it. Do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
All right. Cool, man. Thanks, Shore.
A few moments later. Meanwhile,
I don't know.
clear this jump right here. That one, so she said she's getting close. She's like 5 foot away from getting it all the way. And Luke's got it, so let's see if she can get it. See, she's landing right on the knuckle almost. I think she could get it. Alright, let's see if she does it. Oh, so close. Almost there. Landed right about the flag. So I think next time she's got it.
You want it?
Sure.
Okay guys, so I got to the power valve, at least the tip of it, and when I would pull up on it, it would kind of snap back in place, but not really. Like sometimes it would get hung up. It didn't seem like a crisp snap like I think it's supposed to. So luckily, another moto dad who's more experienced and more prepared than me was parked next to us. So he had a aftermarket power valve, an extra one, a PAX Racing power valve, and also the knowledge of, you know, knows what he's doing. So he was able to help me pull it apart, and the thing was like trapped in there. The power valve was snapped in 2 pieces and it was like wedged in there. We couldn't get it out of the cylinder, or we could eventually, but it was a pain in the butt. But luckily we got a new power valve in there, new spring, new diaphragm. So it's all new kit, all new setup. And you guys, like, we fired it up. It sounds amazing, sounds crisp. We took it over to the field so Mason could ride it and get used to it and see how it's reacting. I rode it. That bike is fast. It's a 65 and it'll wheelie in 4th gear with me on it. Like, I don't even want to tell you how much I weigh, but you guys, that's impressive. That thing will wheelie with me on it in 4th gear. Not exaggerating, no joke. It thinks fast. So it's cool to see, to be reminded of how fast that bike is when it's running properly, when it's set up properly. Like, I know Mason's been riding with it. He's been doing the best that he can, but as soon as it's riding properly again, he's like, dang, this bike is fast. So he should be able to get whole shots. He should be able to start riding a lot better. So we're like super lucky, super blessed that somebody had a power valve and was able to help us out, because dude, this could have been a big waste for Mason if his bike wasn't running good. But luckily he's ready to go shred. His bike's ready to go shred. So thank you very much to Max's dad for helping us out.
We got a battle going on. Oh. They're still battling. Oh. Mason makes the pass because of lap traffic. Let's see what happens here. Dude, you're doing super good down this whole straightaway right here. Good job.
Mason, is the bike running good? Yeah, good. You guys, the bike sounds so much better. Mason's able to get into the power band. He looks really comfortable on it. He really looks like he's jiving with the bike. At least that's what I think, because he's starting to push himself. He's starting to try to go a lot faster.
The bike's skipping around like this, especially you. Your knees are really far forward and it's just busy. Try just pushing the butt back. Squeeze your knees. See if you can drive through the motion better.
I really love the way that thing sounds now.